Hi, welcome back. This is Sonny Ahuja. As we move forward with this course, there will be instances where you might feel you're stuck, or you may have an idea but you don't have anybody to implement it for you. For example, you may need a change on your website, or you may need a blog post, but no one in your office can write a post, or you cannot reach your website guy, your web developer, so you're not able to make changes to your website. If you're not able to find anybody through your network, through you in your city, maybe locally, then what you can do is you can outsource those little tasks, those jobs, using outsourcing websites. One of the biggest sites in the world is Freelancer, and I have been using this for almost 12 years now. If I take you all the way down here, it says Freelancer has over 50 million users and over 19 million jobs posted. Essentially, when you put a project here, you can reach millions of people. And so you'll definitely find a few in there that'll make a good fit to whom you can award those projects. So let me show you how that's done. Right up here in the header, in the menu bar, you can click Post a Project, or right here, you can click Post a Project. Once you click on that, you can name your project, choose a title if it's a blog post or maybe a website, a related work, design changes, and so on. Describe the project here. Now I have already done that for you, so let me take you to my project. So about 24 hours ago, I put this project here. It's called Carpet Cleaning Blog Post 1000 words, okay? And as you click on it, it's a very small and a simple project. It says, "Hi all, I need a search engine optimized blog post title 7 ways to remove stains from carpets. Word count approximately 1000 words. Keywords, carpet cleaning, carpet stain removal, carpet cleaning Alpharetta." And I said Alpharetta because that's where I live. So this is an example. In 24 hours, I have about, let's see, if I click on proposals, in 24 hours, I have over 100 people, 105 people to be exact, who have bid on my project. So I have people bidding $30, $30, $20, and so on. Now, before I give this project to somebody, here's a few things you must check. Number one, they should have done this before, multiple times. So in this case, this person has 2,542 reviews, 859 reviews, 91, 535, and so on. So that's the one thing, that yes, they have been here long enough, they have been getting reviews and so on. The second thing I'll see is how fast can they do this. This person can deliver this project in 2 days, while this person will take 7 days. So if I don't have 7 days, of course, I would prefer somebody who can do it sooner. And the next thing that I would look at is the rating itself. So 4.9 out of 5 stars, 4.9 out of 5 stars, 4.8, and so on, 4.8, which means I can definitely find somebody who can write a good blog post for me, which is search engine optimized. See, like this person says, being a professional blog writer in cleaning niche, I can deliver a well-researched, engaging SEO keyword optimized blog article on your given topic, 7 ways to remove stains from carpets. It seems they've already written blog posts related to carpet cleaning before. Now, one thing you can also do is see how many of those or which one of those people are available on chat in case if we want to speak to them first before we give the project to them. So if I click on this chat button, because this has a green dot right next to the chat, that means this person is on chat right now, I can start talking to them, okay? I can start talking to this person as well. Or let's say if I have a question for him, then I can still go in the chat, leave a message, and then come back later on and see if they responded. So there's a few different things. If a person is available on chat, you can talk to them right there and then. If they're not available on chat, but if you have a question for them, you can definitely click the chat button and leave them a message. If you're confident enough, or let's say if you just want to test, I mean, it's $30. As a business owner, we always test. And we lose money sometimes and we make money sometimes. So it's a $30 test. I can always award by clicking here I can always award them the project and then see what kind of article they deliver. Now, if they write really well, you can give them more projects in the future, right? Now, let me show you how to post a project. So what I'll do is I'll just copy paste this as if I'm doing it again. I'll click on post a project. And so it's the same project. Hi all, I need a search engine optimized blog post and so on. I will not post it now because I already did it last night, and I can just call it blog post 1000 words. Okay. Once I have the title and I have the description here, I'll click on next. What skills are required? So Freelancer has already the skills that are needed in place there for me: blog, article writing, article rewriting, SEO, copywriting. And then I click on next. Once I click on next, how would you like to get it done? Post a project, start a contest. Click on post a project. Don't start a contest. It's a very small project, okay? How do you want to pay? Fixed price or by the hour? Select fixed price. Now watch this carefully. There are different options that you have. So if I click on all this is very small project, $250 to $750. That's not correct in your case, right? If you're putting a blog post, so click on this, select micro project, okay? Not even simple, but micro project. It's only one blog post, 1,000 words, $30 should be enough, at least in the beginning. Only when you find somebody really good or when you get an idea of what kind of blog post you need on a regular basis, if these are helping you get on page one of search engines, if you're starting to get business from it, then maybe you can start spending more money. But in the beginning, just to test, keep it a micro project and then click next. Now Freelancer will try and upsell you into something like this. Add a recruiter. You don't need that. So just make sure you don't go for any upsells. Standard project, which is free. Post that. And then finally, it'll ask you one more time, are these details correct? Yes, that's the title. This is the description. And yes, post my project. I will not do this right now because I already did this last night. So I could show you the results, which means again, in 24 hours, we have 105 people bid on our project, okay, 105. So now we can just go through them and award them a project or chat with them and take it from there. You can chat with 3 or 4 people, whoever you feel is the best fit, you can give them the project. So that's Freelancer. Next one is Fiverr. When Fiverr first started, every service that they offered was for $5. Now, of course, it has changed. Let's say if I want a blog post written here, so blog writing, and now I can start looking at freelancers who offer blog writing services. And once again, we want to make sure they have written blog posts in the past and their rating is high, for 4.9 or 5-star rating. So here I'm seeing I will write captivating articles for your blog, $75, $45, $45, $100, and so on. So you can look around. I really don't recommend you paying $100 for a blog post in the beginning. Once you get an idea, maybe a couple of months from now, yes. If the budget allows you to do that, by all means do it, but not in the beginning. See, this person says, I will write a captivating SEO blog or engaging web copy for $25 or starting at $25. So if you click on it, for $25, they'll write a 300-word copy. For $45, they'll write 600-word copy. And so you can also contact them. You can also send them a message before you start working with them by clicking here. Okay, let's say if you have a question, I need a blog post written for carpet cleaning industry or office cleaning industry or mold removal. Do you have any experience with that or any such thing? So you can always send them a message from here. Let's say if you want to get your website optimized, the speed. So speed optimization. And so now you can see here, I will speed up your WordPress website drastically, $30. I will dramatically increase your Shopify store. Well, if you don't have a Shopify store, you don't need to get into this, but WordPress sites or any other site that you may have. Now, let's say if you want to hire this person, okay? So before you pay them, it's always good to send them a message. Send them the link of your website and ask, can you optimize the speed of my website? And here's the link. They will find out if it's WordPress or how it's built, and if they can, increase its speed or make changes to it, okay? So whatever your project is, whatever it is that you're trying to do, it's always a good thing to contact the seller first, talk to them. It may take a couple of extra days because you'll send them a message, then they'll send you back a message, and you may have to go back and forth a couple of times. But this way you'll know that you're talking to a person who knows your website, who can work on your website, or for any other project that you have in mind. It could be related to writing, could be related to website design, or anything else. You can also just browse around. You can go up here, graphic and design, and look at all these different categories they have: writing and translation, articles and blog posts, for social media, website content, email copy, digital marketing, programming, and so on and so forth. So my goal here to share this with you is that you don't get stuck. You keep moving forward. If you don't have someone in your team to do what you want to be done, go to Freelancer, go to Fiverr, or you can go to Upwork. This is also a very famous site for outsourcing. Now, I have not used Upwork, so I don't really know how it functions, how it works, but I know several people who use Upwork, okay? So you can create an account with Upwork, and you can put a project here, Freelancer, or Fiverr, okay? These are the sites that I have used multiple times in last 12 years, hundreds of times, I would say. And yes, I have lost money at times where I gave the money to a person who either did not deliver as promised or delivered something that was just crap. But that's okay. That's part of business, right? You lose 20, 30 bucks or $50. It's okay. You move on and then find somebody else. So I hope this was helpful. Keep moving forward. And if you have any questions, any concerns related to this or any of the videos that you will start watching from here, email us. And now I'll see you in the next video.